Here at the Salt Cave, we do salt therapy for people with respiratory problems and skin conditions. It's 100% natural and drug-free. People come in to a room filled with about 2 tons of salt. They sit down, they relax, and we grind up salt very, very finely and blow it into the air, and all they do is breathe it in.
I suffer with brittle asthma, which is a severe form of asthma, and before coming to the Salt Caves I was being hospitalised on average 3 to 4 times per month. The Salt Caves has really changed my life because I am rarely hospitalised now and my medication has been reduced. It's a really relaxing experience, and I'd say it's quite similar to the beach. When you come in, it's like the salt underneath your feet crunches like the sand.
I've been coming to the Salt Cave now for about 1.5 years. I was diagnosed with chronic sinusitis and was finding it quite difficult to keep going. The doctor gave me some medication, didn't clear it up completely, so I had a look online and found the Salt Cave and saw that you get the first session for free. I thought, why not? I might as well give it a go. Came along and had it all explained to me. So I've kept coming and I've kept seeing improvements. I don't pick up as many colds as I used to pick up. You just get to sit down and relax, and if you've had a hard week you can have a wee snooze, and yeah, it does help you relax and unwind at the same times.
So my wife's got a chronic lung problem, and she found out about this place and decided to try it in order to help out with her lungs, because she didn't want to be taking antibiotics all the time. My son's got asthma and I've got a little bit of asthma still, and she's got eczema. So it's very evident in the first winter that the kids were getting far less in the way of colds and sniffles. Good for our health and good for a bit of family activity between the 4 of us. And it's just a nice atmosphere.
I suffer from COPD and I was diagnosed with that 7 years ago. And I've been coming to the Salt Caves now about 3 years, and it's just completely changed my life. It's made such a big difference to my breathing. I get a check-up at my surgery once a year. They do spirometry tests, and after 6 months going here, my levels actually went up, which they were surprised at, because normally people with COPD either stay the same or they just get worse, whereas I actually got better. I think if I hadn't come here, I'd be surprised if I was actually here today, because my breathing was so bad. Now I'm fine, I can lead quite a good life.
Ailey has a neurological condition which affects her muscle tone. So it's internally, which obviously is the lungs and her complete respiratory systems. And we needed to do something other than the crisis situation that we were in, where we were just always fighting fire with antibiotics and hospital admissions. So yeah, I read an article in a magazine about the Salt Cave and we came along, and it's been wonderful. And yeah, it's a lovely hour of just relaxing and being together. And we enjoy it, don't we? And it just keeps you very, very well. And that's very important.